wanted to show our viewers some effects of hoarding, and these are effects that can happen if you do become what they call a hoarder, right? It's a hoarder. So let's look at the effects of hoarding, and I think we have the graphics, so let's see if we can take that. And number one would be that it threatens the health and safety of those living in or near the home, causing health problems, structural damage, fire, and even death. That makes common sense, right, Grace?
Yes. One of the things that happens if your living room is so full of items and you can't get to the door, for example, or there's items that are stacked to the ceiling and you don't know what's going on behind it. So you could actually have like mold growing back there. You can have little animals that have died, and all of that can occur. And then the smell starts to come out. It could affect the actual structure of your wall. It could affect your drywall. It could affect the studs behind the drywall. And then of course, if you have neighbors, it could start affecting them as well, because if you're living, for example, in an apartment, it starts affecting their walls as well. And so then you have the actual structural damage.
And that could then lead to number two on that list. So let's take that list back. And that's expensive, emotionally devastating. Evictions or other court actions can lead to hospitalizations or homelessness.
Right, and so when we talk about that, it's the idea of, as we know, we have safety codes, okay? Like building codes, all those things. So if you have so much clutter, the hoarding is so significant that you cannot access your back door. Now that's a fire hazard.
Sure.
You've blocked your escape should there be some type of emergency.